United Kingdom joins United States launch. Powerful airstrikes on Houthi targets in Yemen. For the first time since Donald Trump was re-elected in 2024, the United Kingdom has joined forces with the United States in a high-stakes military strike against Houthi targets in Yemen. Late Tuesday night, RAF Typhoon FGR-4 jets, backed by Voyager air refueling tankers, unleashed precision Paveway 4 bombs on a series of buildings just south of Yemen's capital, Sana'a. According to the UK Ministry of Defense, these facilities were being used by Houthi rebels to manufacture deadly drones aimed at disrupting international shipping in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. This bold move comes in response to a surge in Houthi attacks that have already caused a 55% drop in shipping traffic through the Red Sea, costing billions and threatening global economic stability. UK Defense Secretary John Healey stated, "We acted decisively to defend freedom of navigation and economic security, not just for Britain, but for the world." All aircraft returned safely, and the strike was carried out after dark to minimize civilian risk. Meanwhile, under Trump's renewed leadership, the U.S. has dramatically ramped up military pressure on the Iran-backed Houthis, making it clear that attacks on vital maritime trade routes won't go unanswered. Are we witnessing the beginning of a broader military campaign in the region? Stay tuned as tensions rise in the Middle East and the world watches what comes next.